couple months ago, I recently purchased my first Kawasaki KLX. I'd never had one. I've had other motorcycles. I have a Husqvarna, I have a CRF, and I just fell in love with that little guy, that little booger. And I just said, you know, I want to have one of those little play bikes because I have big bikes and I want to be able to go in this jungle. There's a lush jungle here, and my big bikes, it's just so heavy, they fall down and everything. So I decided I would get one of these little play bikes, the KLX 140. I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube. That bike was pretty cool.